to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a piano tutorial for the song The Miracle Is Mine by the late Neyi, Zimu. So in the key of F sharp. Technically speaking, there is only just one phrase to the song, but then logically speaking there's two phrases, and I'll show you how to play them because you can kind of just interchange between the two where you're playing. Well, I guess one is better in some places, but to me I've seen that you can just change between the two. But I'll show you both anyways. So here's how it goes. So Holy Ghost, fall upon me. I open up my eyes to you. Spirit of the living God, don't pass me by. I open up my heart to you, 'cause I stare at you. You see, I'm not gonna move, because today I need a miracle, right? You see? So that's what I'm saying now. Now, for example, I stare at you. I'm not gonna move, 'cause today I need a miracle. That's the second part, right? But I'll just show you the first part, and I'll show you the second part how to play. So Holy Ghost, fall. Left hand's doing a 1-5-1, right hand's doing a 2-3-5-1. Holy Ghost, fall. Now left hand's doing a 2-1-2, right hand's doing a 3-4-6-1. Upon me. Left hand's doing a 3-1, right hand's doing a 2-5-1. Left hand's doing a 4-1-4, right hand's doing a 6-1-3. Left hand's doing a 2-1-2, right hand's doing a 4-6-2. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 3-5-1. Left hand's staying on 5 octave, right hand's doing a 1-4-5-1 to you. Left hand's back to a 1-5-1, right hand's doing a 2-3-5-1. And that's literally the entire thing, right? So spin a chord, repeat. The living God, don't pass me by. Open up my heart to you, right? Then now that's the second way. The second way that you can play is like this. I stare at you, right? Left hand's doing a 6 octave, right hand's doing a 1-4-5-1. I'm not gonna move. Right, left hand's now doing a 7-5-7, right hand's doing a 2-5-2. I'm not gonna move. I'm not gonna move. Yeah, right, sorry, so I stare at you. Left hand, we can say you're doing a 6-3-5. Right hand, you can do a 1-2-3-5. But it's the same because literally you're just doing a 6/1, right? So, however you play it, whether you're doing this 6 or this 6 or that 6, still a 6-1-1-1-1, right? So 6. Now left hand's doing a 7-5-7, right hand's doing a 1-2-5-2. I'm not gonna move. Left hand's doing a 1-5, right hand's doing a 7-2-4-6. Left hand's doing a 4-1-4, right hand's doing a 6-1-2. Sorry. Yeah, left hand's doing a 2-1-2, right hand's doing a 4-6-1-4. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 3-5-1-5. Left hand's doing a 2-1-2, right hand's doing a 5-2. And then left hand, now we're resolving it almost back to the 1. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 1-4-5-1. Left hand's doing a 1-5-1, right hand's doing a 2-3-5-1. right? So let me show you why I say you can interchange between it, right? So obviously for Holy Ghost, that's what you play, right? The 1 2, the 1 2 3 4 5 1, right? But let's look at the chorus part. So we're gonna start with the first way you play it. So so I've technically done with the tutorial. Now I'm just showing you what I mean by in application. So the miracle is mine too. The miracle is mine because today I need a miracle. Now we're going to the second way with the 6. The miracle is mine. The miracle is mine. Because today I need a miracle. You see? So you can literally play it in both ways over there, right? So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this this quick tutorial here. And until next time, guys, stay blessed.